So this is how the seller showed me the AC unit when I was purchasing it off of eBay. It's actually very good condition. There was no cracks, no nothing. He packaged it really well. Then this is what FedEx did to it. Is they dropped it, kicked it, spindled it, mutilated it, and pretty much destroyed it. So I will save the parts out of it. I am trying to, well, I already did. I bought another unit that the seller said is no good for all its components, but its housing's good. It's the wrong color, but I'll go ahead and just take the other unit all apart and use its housing and try to transfer parts and test parts as I go. So here I am getting ready to tear it apart. I'm going to salvage what I can and use what I can. Like I said, the seller packaged it really well as far as we could tell, but it looks like FedEx just kicked it to death till everything was like exposed. There was no way as I actually put it up onto the bench to start tearing it apart, it was actually just falling apart on the bench. So I was hoping maybe I could just fiberglass it, but there was no saving this unit. And with all the work I'm doing on this rig, I'd rather buy like multiples of these to get what I want. And yeah, so all torn down. So I'll find me a new expansion valve and boop, set it up. That's it.